Long press the power key to turn on the display. Then you can unlock it directly with an NFC card or by entering the password 1500. Long press the mode key within 10 seconds after unlocking to enter the user setting interface. This is the miles, kilometers switching interface. Press mode and then up to switch between miles and kilometers. Then long press the mode key to exit. After exiting, you can switch to other settings through up and down. Here you can change the password. Each scooter is shipped with a default password of 1500. You can change it after you receive it. Long press the mode key to exit the setting interface after adjustment.